I know we're moving fast, and some say we won't last, but I will be alright as long as I know I'm with you. Oh, forever summer high, I know that we'll be fine. Letting go and go free falling, living on top of the world. Blue skies and nice winds, never keeping track of time.
Hi guys, welcome to today's vlog. So it's Wednesday, speech therapy day, so we're headed into speech therapy. I swap with my husband. We flip-flop. One goes in on Wednesday, one goes in on Thursday. And so, but it's like, he's Wednesday, I'm Thursday. He's Wednesday, I'm Thursday. So we always see the same people, same therapist. So we're flopping, that way I can see the speech therapist today. Come on. That's sugar-free. No, not a big one, baby. We're getting small. Do they have the small ones over there? Yeah. They got these ones, look. They got white cherry. Look, that's sugar-free. I don't know if you like it. I mean, I'm not knocking it. It's watermelon too. That's cherry limeade. Are you sure you want lemon? Banana strawberry. Banana cream. White cherry, which is not ready. They got Coca-Cola. They got Booster Rooster. Banana strawberry. Alright. What one you getting? I want over there. Go over here and get a lid and a straw.
Like it? Is it good?
Ooh, look at yours. That looks like the 4th of July. That means you can put more in it.
I think you're probably supposed to put that on.
It's not fitting on your drink. Oh. Okay, let's go here. Okay. Hold on, I'm not holding it. This is what I wanted. Alright. All these teas. You know what black raspberry sweet tea is like? I'm getting them over there, but I want to try this. Can I get a foam one? It'll stay colder, right? Come on, Mitchie. Hey, guys. So, it is almost 7 o'clock, and it has taken me all day to clean carpets. So, I won't say all day. I started about 2, and it took me until making dinner. It took me until 6, from 2 to 6. I've got blisters. I don't know if you can see them, especially with that one right there. It's a not a blood blister, like it's a water blister, like right here. It's not gonna focus. It's not focusing. My goats are out there going crazy. Yeah. Anyway, I'm starting dinner.
Hey,
What?
we watch her up at pee.
Get down, turn around, go to town, boot, scoot, and boogie. I love cutting tool, said nobody ever. Hey, guy. I'm running out of space, hold on. Okay, I haven't deleted any of my Michigan footage, and so I was running out of space. Anyway, It has been a crazy day. So we started off, we had to go to Journey's appointment. Before I went to Journey's appointment though, my husband called the clinic because we haven't heard back from the clinic yet, the mental health clinic for Sterling. We haven't heard back. They told me they would be setting up something for her, like counseling and maybe switching her medication, because we said she's on what she's on and it might not work. So they're like, yeah, are you comfortable with switching her medication if, you know, to try something different? And we said yes. Okay. So we have not heard anything, and they said they would. I was like, well, how soon are we going to do this? Because, you know, we're leaving on vacation and we won't get back into the 4th. And they said, okay, well, we'll just do it after the 4th. And I was assuming that while we were in Michigan that they would be making a phone call and setting up an appointment with us. We haven't heard anything. And we've been back for, you know, we were back all last week. We didn't hear back. And so if I didn't hear from them Monday, I was going to call Tuesday. Well, then, what was I doing? Oh, I was getting all those orders done Tuesday, so I never did end up calling them. So my husband called this morning, left 2 voicemails, and we haven't heard anything back from them. But in the meantime, I might have mentioned before in my vlogs that we had a DNA test done on Sterling to see how she metabolizes medicines. So it's a DNA test. I would like to get one done. You can totally see what works with your DNA, because your DNA is with you forever. So you can see what medicines work with your DNA type, with your, you know, how you metabolize. She is a fast metabolizer. She will always be a fast metabolizer for medicine. So once they know like that, they can see what medicines work. So the medicine that she's on, they said, does not work for her, which we already said it didn't work. Right. So they said no, it will not work because she metabolizes them faster, so she needs to switch to this other medicine. Okay, so then I talked to the doctor, you know, went over everything, and then she asked how she's doing, and I told her that, you know, we tried to get in, and we're, you know, she's like, keep on them, keep calling them, call them every day. So tomorrow we're gonna call again. But she's like, okay, we're gonna switch this. I need to see you back in a month, you know, and went over all her meds, because she's on, you know, other medications as well, just to make sure that her meds wouldn't interfere with this other medicine that she said would work for her. So I'm really kind of excited to see how this will work. And yeah, hopefully just we see good things from it. So I wanted to clean carpets, and I've been wanting to clean carpets, not just because Dani's coming. I wanted, so in April, maybe, was at the end of April, maybe, sometime I cleaned carpets and I ran out of the carpet cleaning stuff. So I left the carpet cleaner in the house, and I left it, we keep it out on our back deck because we don't have space, we don't have a garage, we don't have a, like, you know, mud room or any place to store anything like a carpet cleaner. So anyway, so it's out there, and I left it in the house, and it stayed in the house for like almost 2 weeks because I kept forgetting to buy the carpet cleaning stuff to finish the carpets. I finished, you know, I got the major parts where the high traffic area is, but I wanted to get everything else. Well, I finally moved the carpet cleaner outside, but then eventually I did buy the carpet cleaning stuff, and so we do have it. And so I just, you know, it's something that's been on my back burner and I've been wanting to do. And so because Dani is coming, I kind of wanted to clean the carpets before she got here. But even if she wasn't coming, I still wanted to clean the carpets, if that makes sense. So I got that done. I cleaned all the carpets. I cleaned the carpet in the living room, in the computer room, and in Sterling's room. I didn't do our bedroom because our bedroom is not bad. And the hallway. So I did all of that, it took a long time because you have to empty that tank every, like, you know, it only does a little section and you gotta empty it and fill back up and get going again and then empty it and fill it back up. You know, I must have done, I don't know, 5 or 6 tanks in the living room, because I even cleaned the area rug in there, and Sterling's room took probably like 3 or 4 tanks because it was really dirty, and then the hallway took a tank, and then the computer room took a tank. So they all, you know, all that takes time, and I got blisters on my hands. Anyway, so with all that being said, I did not finish my ribbon trims, and that's what I need to do, and it is 9 o'clock, and I'm going to start working on them right now. My goal is to try to get at least 3 ribbon trims accomplished. One is they ordered 2 of the pastel ribbon trims, so I'm going to try to get those, and they are bigger sizes, so I'm going to try to get those 2 done. And then I have one that goes with this one, so I'm going to try to get that one done, and then the one that goes with this one I will also try to get done, but if I don't, it's okay. This isn't due to ship out until like next week or something, but I'm just trying to clear my schedule. In the meantime, I do have an order for, I think it was 7 aprons, so I'm going to put one on each machine, I think, and then work on the ribbon trims. The only problem with doing that, first of all, I'll have to put whatever machine I use. I like to use, like, if they ordered more than one, just because I don't know if you can tell a difference in stitching. I don't know, you know what I mean? But I want them all to look kind of uniform and the same. So using the same machine, I know they're going to have the same kind of stitching, if that makes sense. But like I said, I don't really know. Because looking at this, I did this one on the Ricoma, and so I'm like, does it look different if I did it on a milk? I can tell, like, honestly, I'm probably just being too picky, because I can't tell the difference between that one, and they were done on 2 different machines. Anyway, so I'm going to throw an apron on each machine and then work on ribbon trims. I should probably just focus on ribbon trims, but you know me. And I'll probably work until at least 11, so that'll be 2 hours. Can I get 3 or 4 ribbon trims done in 2 hours? If I speed, I can. The only problem is if it was just single, like, tulle, one of them is just aqua tulle. So if it was just like aqua, but it's like multicolors, so you gotta change your, I don't change my thread, I just change my, you know, ribbons and stuff, because it is, I use white in their pastels, so. And I have to make sure I have enough ribbon for that one. Ooh. Anyway, let me get to work. Hey guys, so I got 5.5 aprons done. I forgot the fan was on in here. Let me turn it off. Okay. I had it on to dry the carpets, which I clean the carpets in here, but there's still stains that never go away, and that's just because this carpet is 27 years old. So I was telling my husband, I was like, you know, our carpet is bad, but if you think about it, it's 27 years old. I mean, what do you expect? You know what I mean? For old carpet. So it's the same original carpet that was in here when the house was built. Anyway, so I got 5.5 aprons. I say half because I'm in the middle of one. And I started with the 3 pastel ribbon trims. I've got all of the color on the bigger one, and so I got the pink, yellow, mint, blue, and purple all done. And then the next size down, I just have to do the purple, and I'm out of ribbon, lavender ribbon. So they're not supposed to ship. Let's see. Okay, the actual ship date is Friday, and Dani will be here on Friday, and she will bring me some ribbon. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye, guys.